uKhomishana wamaphoyisa uthi isifundazwe iKwaZulu-Natal, i-Eastern Cape ne-Western Cape zibekwe eqhulwini ngezinsiza ukulwisana nobugebengu kulandela izigameko eziningi zakamuva zokubulawa kwabantu kuzo.
Our operational focus remains on these provinces, also in terms of wanted criminals. We also strengthen our efforts in that regard to root out especially illegal firearms from the streets.
Kunabasolwa sebeboshiwe bebefunwa ngamacala okubulala enzeke ezindaweni ezahlukene okubalwa kuzo nase-Eastern Cape.
We've witnessed an increased cooperation and the unity display in working closely with communities on various cases, including the recent arrest of the 6 suspects linked to the Lusikisiki mass shooting and the arrest of Pete Simao, a Mozambican national who has been arrested in connection with the rape and murder of a 6-year-old Abantu Samane in Soweto.
Kwethulwe inombolo yokubika ubugebengu okuyamene nokuphoqwa kwabantu ukuthi bakhiphe imali yokuvikeleka.
The line is just another means of assisting us in terms of fighting extortion. We do have teams in the provinces that are concentrating more on fighting extortion.
Emkhankasweni wokulwisana nobugebengu uMasemola uthi kujutshwa amaphoyisa amasha angaphezulu kwezinkilungwane ezimbili eziteshini zamaphoyisa ezweni lonke, kanti kunamanye angaphezulu kwezinkilungwane ezimbili asaqeqeshwa.